I'm opening my Note 8 Pro today, having never opened a glued case before. Only razor blades are thin enough to allow passage for the next wedge. For that I will use 0.5mm washers. These sit better in the corners than the sides and can be rolled, like this, from wherever an opening exists. With all four corners open like this, I still need more leverage. I'm trying not to use heat here. The blunt Stanley blade is kind of redundant. I slide a plastic card between corners. I can hear the glue tearing as the seams open wide. I couldn't film this because of space and hands. The sensor ribbon still remains. Careful use of a hairdryer for 20 seconds enabled the lens covers to be gently pressed out of the back plate. From here, removing the battery becomes just a matter of unfastening mechanical connections, apart from a final bit of glue under the battery. Other videos show all this. Take care, thanks for watching.